Instagram has officially introduced a new update, the ReShare feature. It is aimed at enhancing how users engage with your content. In this video, I will walk you through every single thing you need to know, how it is done, when to use it, how to use it, and how to get it updated. Whether you're a content creator or you're sharing your personal stories on Instagram or you just use Instagram for your business, watch this video till the end and thank me later. Let's get into the video. To use the repost feature on Instagram, you go to your App Store or Play Store if you use an Android. Go to your App Store and type Instagram. This is because you need to update your Instagram so that you can be able to use the new features that has been added. Now when you get to Instagram, I already updated mine a few minutes ago. You click on update. That's where the open option is. When you click on update, then it gets downloaded for a few seconds or a few minutes. Then you click on open. After downloading, you go straight to your post, your feed. Go to your feed and try, because I tried using some of my content. You try and click, let's use mine for instance. You click on a certain content that you want to repost, probably a video, a picture, whatever thing. Now there are four options, there are four icons on each picture. We have the like, the comment, then the reshare, and the repost and the share icon. Then you click on the third icon that notifies you that you already reposted the contents you want to share. This feature will be very helpful because you can support your friends, your family, your followers by just reposting their content. I reposted my content initially, so now let's switch to my backup page. I am going to my backup page and I would repost one of the content so you can see how it works on other person's page. Let's repeat the same thing we did initially. Now you can see the like, comment, repost and share icon, and you click on the repost icon so your feed can get notified. And of course you can add text or emojis. Whatever text you add while reposting would appear whenever you see that content, or anybody coming across that page would always see the text that you've added. Now let's go back to my notifications on my Instagram, my main Instagram. Now from the notifications you can see somewhere that Tabitha liked so content from my backup page. Tabitha liked Adejeke Akombi's post that I reposted. So when you repost other people's page, your followers, your mutuals can see them and interact with them, and interact with a certain post that you just shared. You can see how helpful this is. If you want to check the content that you've reposted, just go to your profile page and you can see the repost icon. Click on the repost icon and these are the contents that I have reposted. And if you want to change your mind, you can just click on the certain post you want to delete from reposting and you can see the option. Then you can delete. After deleting, this certain content would not be found in your repost feed. And of course you can see the numbers of times your video or your pictures, your video especially, has been reposted. Not just can you support other creators by posting on your story, you can also repost their content to share with your mutuals and followers. Now that you've learned how to use the ReShare feature on Instagram, let me know in the comment section if this video was very helpful to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to your friends. See you in my next video.